Place the moon with Mars. Alright, let's swap out the moon and put Mars in its place. At the moon's distance, Mars gets twice the solar energy it currently receives. That extra heat starts sublimating the frozen carbon dioxide at the poles. The atmosphere thickens. Surface temperature rises from -60 to -15 Celsius. As it warms, subsurface water ice begins melting. The atmosphere starts building up. But -15 is still below freezing. The carbon dioxide doesn't stay in the atmosphere. It keeps cycling between ice and gas, sublimating from the sunny poles, then snowing back down at night. Mars isn't transforming. It's just shuffling its ice around in a frozen cycle. Even if the atmosphere could stabilize, Mars has no magnetic field to protect it. At Earth's orbit, solar wind hits harder. Whatever atmosphere builds up gets stripped away into space. Mars actually loses its air faster than it does now. The closer position doesn't save Mars, it kills it faster. For Earth, Mars is 9 times heavier than the moon. Tides would be 9 times stronger. Coastal cities would flood constantly. We'd trade our stable moon for a dying planet that still can't support life.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.